tonight I'm going to be doing a 12 by 24 Dutch pour, blow dryer pour, and I'm going to be using these colors. First I have my Artist Loft White, and I'm going to be spreading that everywhere. Then I have my Basics Cadmium Yellow Light Hue. I have my Amsterdam Van Dyke Brown. I have my Flow Acrylic Artist Loft Neon Green. I have a persimmon color that I made, and I made it quite a while ago. I have no idea what colors I mixed. And then I have my Artist Loft Red. So these are the colors I'm using. As you can see, they're in little cups because I'm not going to put a whole lot of color on this. So let me move these. And I'm hoping to have a lot of negative space, but we will see. Okay. Pretty big canvas. I'll be right back. Okay, I had to mix some more white. I sure didn't have enough. And I did the flood coat. I didn't want to bore you with that. Pop the bubbles. All the colors are only mixed with Floetrol and water. There's no glue in there. There's no silicone in any of the colors or the white. And so anyway, I think I'm going to just sort of go like that with it. And let's get started. Let's see, I want that there, yeah, okay. What I don't want to do is overwork it. I have a habit of doing that with Dutch pours. So I want a lot of negative space. Let me see if there's anything coming up here through that white, and there is. Something here I don't want. Okay. I think I need to blow it here just a little bit more. That light's just a little bit too thick. jumping nut. I really like that. Let's hope that this comes through. These colors over here. I love the cells. Very pretty. I like how simple everything is. I like the negative space. This is still bothering me right here. I like the composition. I like the colors. I really want to blow that back, but I'm afraid I'll mess it up. Dang it. This is really bright, and then it goes down to not so bright. If this was live, you'd tell me what to do. So, let's see. I don't know what you're seeing. It's very pretty, though. You know what? I think I'm just going to leave it. I think I'm going to leave it just like that. Very simple. The composition's good. It's not just all the same. I blew it all different ways, so I like it. That green's looking more like olive color mixing with the orange and the yellow, and no, I like it. Let me bring it up to you. Okay, very pretty. I just really wanted to do something without blues in it for a change. And I think I need to do more reds. Alright. Well, hope you subscribe and click the thumbs up if you like the video, and please visit all the names down below, and hopefully you'll learn something from them like I have. Anyway, have a great night.